Every operator today is managing volatility that moves faster than their tools. Demand shifts, weather shocks, labor gaps, capacity constraints. Yet most decisions are still made with spreadsheets, legacy systems, and siloed data. The result is slow responses, firefighting, higher costs, and shrinking margins. The issue isn't complexity. The issue is that decision-making can't keep up. That's the gap Swarm solves. Swarm is an AI optimization solution built to turn operational noise into precise, confident decisions. Swarm creates a live digital twin of your end-to-end operation. It models your plants, your logistics, your constraints, and your demand patterns in real time, so the decisions it delivers reflect the full reality of your business. It understands the true constraints of your system, evaluates millions of scenarios, and recommends the best plan in minutes. Not another dashboard, not another analytics layer. Real decision intelligence that sees the entire system in one pass. Customers see faster planning, better forecasts, and material savings. Deployments are quick, transparent, and secure. Swarm drives impact across every high-stakes decision flow, production planning for complex multi-site networks, demand forecasting under seasonality and variability, workforce optimization, flow of goods across plants, warehouses, and customers, allocation optimization where trade-offs matter. If the decision repeats and has constraints, Swarm improves it. Swarm ingests data, applies real-world constraints, weighs objectives, runs scenario engines, and delivers the best decision instantly. Traditional planning relies on manual steps and rigid ERPs. Swarm runs millions of what-ifs automatically, giving operators clarity instead of guesswork. This is why major industry leaders are scaling with us. Cargill has used Swarm for supply and demand planning, Ardent Mills for production and logistics optimization, Wilbur Ellis for inventory and network design, Agrivision, now called Fruitist, for labor and transport, and the Association of American Feed Control Officials uses Swarm for regulatory intelligence. The impact is consistent: lower costs, higher service, stronger resilience. Let's take a deeper dive into Ardent Mills. Ardent Mills is one of the largest flour milling and ingredient companies in North America. They operate over 40 facilities, run one of the most diverse grain and specialty ingredient portfolios in the industry, and supply everyone from artisan bakers to global CPG manufacturers. What makes Ardent unique is the sheer complexity of their network. Multiple grain types, dozens of plants, hundreds of routes, shifting demand patterns, and tight service windows. They also run advanced programs in traceability, regenerative agriculture, and emerging nutrition, which adds even more layers to their operational decision-making. Swarm optimizes their trucks, trains, capacity, and constraints across dozens of facilities. The result: faster routes, lower emissions, better asset utilization, reduced transit times, and a long-term shift toward real-time decision intelligence across their network. Volatility isn't going away, but companies that make better decisions faster will win. Swarm gives operators that edge, from reactive firefighting to proactive planning, from isolated decisions to system-wide optimization. From uncertainty to clarity, Swarm turns volatility into advantage, better decisions every day.